Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I'm standing here. I want to presenting about the vision of Steve Jobs. So, who is this Steve Jobs? Firstly, Steve Jobs is the co-founder of Apple, and then Steve Jobs is the first who brings the innovation of IT technologies, which bring the simple, beautiful, and powerful design of a laptop or devices. And then it brings us the modern life. It's shaping our modern life. His vision define the modern era of computing, music, and mobile communication. Because he believed in creating products that balance pure aesthetic with unparalleled functionality. So, the first vision, he was making a computer, a personal computer, PC. In 1984, Steve introduced the Macintosh, the pioneer of the first commercially successful personal computer with a graphical user interface, or as we know, as known as GUI. His dream was to liberate computing power, making it intuitive and accessible for everyone, not just technical expert or large corporation. So, Steve Jobs aimed to put insanely great tools into the hands of ordinary people, starting a revolution against the command line interface, which is pretty hard to learn. And next, Steve bring us the iPod revolution. It's changing music forever. So, why it become the best innovation? Firstly, because you can bring 1,000 music in your pocket, so you could listen it in anywhere. So the iPod itself is launched in 2001. The iPod delivered a promise of true portability, allowing user to carry the entire music library with them. And next, it brings us the digital music ecosystem, which the iPod combined with iTunes successfully bridged the gap between digital music and consumer enjoyment, transforming the entire music industry landscape. So, this is the biggest innovation ever, because he bring us the iPhone. He reinvented the phone on 2007. As what he say, every once in a while, a revolutionary products change everything. Which is, at the first, he bring us laptop, a personal computer. Next, he bring us iPod, and then this is the iPhone, which is intuitive calling and communicating in a sleek device. It's simple, that we could grip it on our palm. Next, Steve design philosophy. He bring us beauty meets function. Jobs insists that the true value of design lay in seamless experience it created. This means optimizing every detail from the internal components to the polished exterior. He obsessed with detail, made Apple products very intuitive and magical for the user. Overcoming the challenge. Vision with presence on the Steve Jobs itself, he got many problems. Firstly, he got fired from Apple on 1985. And then he returned to its job on Apple on 1997, and he bring innovation and bring disciplines to the company and achieve the global success on his company. The moral itself, is a dream big and care deeply. Firstly, you must think differently. Steve Jobs taught us to challenge the status quo and pursue unconventional path. Believe fiercely in the power of your own ideas. Secondly, a deep sense of purpose. His ultimate goal was not just to sell gadgets, but to create technology that genuinely helps and inspire people to do better work. And last, stay hungry, stay foolish. This famous advice encourages continuous learning, humility, and the courage to pursue new grand challenges. So, in conclusion, Steve Jobs bring us a new life, an era, which is he itself shaping us our digital life, inspiring innovation, and bring creativity, courage, and care, which is all in philosophy of its device. So, think differently, change the world. This is the quote from Steve Jobs, and maybe that's all what I can tell to you. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.